Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today I want to introduce you to a powerful online tool that you can seriously change how you learn anatomy and medical science. It's called Biodigital Human. So if you are a medical student, nursing student, or even someone just interested in how the human body works, you already know how challenging anatomy can be. Textbooks are great, but they are static. Images don't always give you a real sense of depth, positions, or how everything connects together. That's where this platform really stands out. Biodigital Human is an interactive 3D human anatomy website where you can explore the human body layer by layer. Bones, muscles, nerves, organs, and entire body systems, all in full 3D. You can rotate the body, zoom in, hide layers, and focus on exactly what you want to study. It's like having a digital cadaver that you can access anytime, anywhere. Also, one important thing to know is that to use this website, you do need to create an account. But the good news is it's completely free for personal use. You can sign up with an email and start exploring right away without paying anything for each run. That's a huge plus. What makes this especially valuable for medical student too is that it's not limited to just a normal anatomy. You can also explore diseases, medical conditions, injuries, and treatments in 3D. Instead of just reading about the condition, you can actually see how it affects the body. This makes understanding how pathology much easy and helps information stick in your memory. Another big advantage is visualization. Anatomy isn't about memorizing names, it's about understanding spatial relationships, where nerves pass, how muscles overlap, how organs sits inside this body. Seeing this in 3D makes exam preparations, clinical discussions, and practical learning much more effective. The platform is also browser based, so you don't need high-end computer or special software. You can use it in your laptop, tablet, or even your phone. You can study at your own pace, repeat section as many times as you want, and learn visual instead of struggling to imagine everything in your head. So if you are a medical student looking for a smart way to study anatomy, or someone who wants a clearer understanding of the human body, this tool is absolutely worth checking out. Just remember, create a free account, log in, and start exploring. That's it for today's overview. So if you want a step-by tutorial on how to use biodigital human effective for exams or daily study, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, homies.